Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, and welcome back to the Tiki Kev shop. Oh, another busy day. We're going out on another install. Thankfully, this one is local. Not much drive time, less than 10 minutes. So let me show you guys what's going on. We have stools out the wazoo. We are just non-stop stools right now. You saw those 4 over there. We got a whole bunch more here and a whole bunch more there. And we took 6 out yesterday. Or no, 8. 6 or 8. I think it was 6. And we are just, it's been crazy here. We got more stools being built today. Probably, I think we have 8 more to do yet. And it's just been unreal. I got another bar started there. But this is the one going out today to Chalfont, right here. And we'll take video and some pictures once we get out there. And I sent the guys out yesterday. Since it's such a local job, they already got the roof out there ready to go. This one's for the next bar that we're doing. That's a big roof. That's an 8x8, or a 12x12 rather. So, and that's the one for the job after that. And here's how the bar stool tops start out. Just a raw piece of wood. But here's the bar we have going out today. So it's about 6:30. Everybody will be here in about a half hour. We're going to head out, go grab the trailer, then come back and load all this up. But I haven't been making any videos since we got back from Myrtle Beach because we all been so busy in the shop. It's a little stressful trying to keep everybody's schedule, get everything out on time because there's so much to do and so little time to do it. Weather doesn't help. I lost some time in the shop yesterday for a little while. Didn't lose much, so I had to pull this bar back in and move the one I'm working on out of the way because we had some like super heavy thunderstorms. So, man, I didn't even have my coffee yet. I gotta wake up. So we got a lot to do, and like I said, this bar here is local, so this should go pretty smooth, and hopefully we're done early this afternoon. But we'll see. You can never count on anything going right, and when it does, you're thankful. How many bars we've done? We've done 7 bars already, and every single one of those so far has gone smooth. We have this one, the one I'm working on, and another one exactly like this one to do, and that's the Michigan job. So that one's pretty far. So anyway, I've been rambling on. So you guys will see some video later once this install's done, and I'll get it posted. So from the Tiki Kev shop, I gotta wake up. Tiki Kev out.